What's up, Tech Nation? Okay, so I'm filming a smoking series. Been doing a lot of smoking this year, like I do every year, every summer. And my power strip, I have a circular power strip. It had 4 plugs on it. I would use that to plug my smokers in. Okay, and basically, it died. And I'm hold on, need to take a moment for my power strip. But excuse me. Anyway, um, I was in search for a new power strip. So I'm at the doctor's office. They had CPAP machines, people who need like oxygen in the morning. They had a whole bunch of different CPAP machines plugged into this power strip. Let me show you what it looks like. It's called the Jackie LED. This is it, the Jackie LED. Let me show you one of the best features that we have had, even on our last power strip, had the same type of feature. But look how cool this is, watch. It's a little stiff because it's brand new. You lay it outside, and you gotta pull, the cord comes out. It's literally, the cord comes out, it winds up inside itself. Yeah, I think that's it, babe. Oh, it isn't it. Okay, it loosened up. It's a little stiff because we've only used it one time real quick.
6 or 8 foot cord.
It's about a 6 or 8 foot cord. And then how do you put it back in? You just rotate it. Let's see if we can get that whole shot. There we go. And you just rotate it. So this is exactly what I was looking at. And I asked the lady, I said, does this work good? She says it's the best power strip she's ever used. And I thought, no way, come on. It has a lot on it. This little device does a lot. So I started looking at it, and let's go to Amazon. Okay, I'm going to share my desktop with you really quick. Share. I'm going to go to the surge protectors. This is the one I bought right here. So look at this. Power strip tower, JACKYLED surge protector. You can see up close. It's got plugs on it. It's got everything. This thing will power your game system, your phone, flame retardant material. It's got a 6.5 foot retractable cord. Tammy said possibly 7 or 8, but it's 6.5 feet, and it pulls in and twirls back in. And then you look here, and it has 6 AC outlets, 4 smart USB ports for plugging in your phone. Overload protector. I'm not even sure what that is, but you can see how you plug it in right there. You can plug that in the office. I'm going to be using it for my smokers outside, but lots of times when I'm filming, my phone's dying between scenes that I'm filming, so I'll need to charge my phone. I could charge it right while I'm out there. But it's beautiful. You don't need the bigger. I recommend the littlest one, unless you need more than 6 outlets. And how many power ports? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 USB ports. Unless you need more than that, then you can go higher, but I don't recommend it. It's only $23.99. Just to show you in real life how little this is. Look at this. This handle is so handy. Not only does it have 6 plug-ins around the whole thing, but you got 4 USB plugs there for generally your iPad, your phone, your computer, whatever you need it for. And then these buttons, these black buttons here, are surge overcharge protection. So you're not going to pop anything in this. So if you're working and you get a power surge, this will protect you. All right. So I'm very excited about this. Be looking on the show. I'll be using it for my smokers. I'll show it to you, and I'll give you more of an update. But basically, this was really cool. Seeing in the doctor's office, I bought it right away. $23. I mean, I can go to the dollar store and get a power strip, but you know how those work. But anyway, so yeah, it's called JACKYLED or Jackie LED. I'm not sure. All right, so I'm pretty excited about this little guy. Gonna go take them outside right now, plug the smokers in, put a pulled pork on, and I will let you guys know how it works out, all right? But in the meantime, it's 23 bucks. If you want to grab one for yourself, I got one, and I don't expect this thing to be a letdown at all. All right, love you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.